So can you really change distance on Plenty of Fish? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video we are going to be discussing as to whether or not we can change distance on Plenty of Fish dating app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the other dating apps such as Badoo, Tinder and so on actually lets you change your distance such as by miles. So if you don't want to get recommended people from over 5 miles, then you will not be recommended at all. You'll only be recommended people from within the 5 miles or the specific miles of distance you've specifically set on your account. But unfortunately on Plenty of Fish we do not have such options. If you are trying to change the distance, you cannot change it. The only thing you can change is the country and your own city. So what you need to do for that is, if I go ahead and open the Plenty of Fish dating app, then I just tap on the profile icon. Right over here you'll be able to see a list of options. The very first thing I can recommend you do is you go to your edit profile section. So when you go to your edit profile section, you can see under basics you have your location. So over here you want to make sure to actually select your country and then your state of province as well as your real city. So when other people swipe through your profile, they'll be able to see your location, and if they like it, hopefully if they're near to you, then you should be able to match with them because they can see your location. If you both live in Arkansas or anything else, you'll be able to match with each other, right? The other thing you can do is you can actually change your preferences. So you can come back and then here you'll find the preferences tab. So here you can see I can change my age range, which means if I don't want to get recommended people from this specific age group, I could go ahead and then absolutely change that. But if I don't want to change it, then what I can do is I can also change my country. So if you only want to get recommended people from a specific country such as the United States, depending upon where you live, you can just select that country specifically. After you've selected your country preferences, you can come back and you can select your first contact length or anything, because these are the only limited things you can do. There are many videos out there claiming that you have to do the inspect element thing and all those fancy stuff. Trust me, that's not really going to work at all, because PoF themselves have not really brought out this feature on their dating application. Hopefully if they update it in the future, I will update it to you guys. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end and see you in the next video.